All right. All right, let's do this. Good morning, everybody. Monday, July 14th, 9:09 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to superareas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. We are live on Zoom. We're live on your GoTo. We are live on your YouTube channel, and we are live on Telegram. I believe audio should be okay. Everything should be good. All right. So, first thing is first, for those that are joining us, brand new students, I see a few faces. Just wait around, maybe around 10 o'clock, 10:15. I'll do the first day orientation, and I'll send you guys in a different room because that will show you how to buy, sell, but at least 60 minutes of day one. What is this about? What are you going to be doing? How to make money? Do the first day orientation. Just hang in there for now. Just open up Ninja, click simulation, and go from there. Nothing you can do can damage. There's nothing real money here, so nothing to worry. Day one. Forex Factory. First, let's take a look at Monday. It's empty. There is no news happening. So, except the fact Mr. Trump is putting up nonsense tariffs once again. Now they did it with Brazil. Market opened up with a gap. So let's look at first Nasdaq. What did it do last night? So we don't have any news. So should be a smooth day, but this week is going to be rough. Rough is in sense of look at. We have news tomorrow. We have news Wednesday. We have news CPI and PPI on Thursday. So red news, high impact. So, but today should be maybe a dead day, maybe a quiet day, area to area, but high to go low is the plan. So let's take a look at what Nasdaq did last night. 22,909 is our high. 22,803 is our low from midnight, from 6 p.m. So the market open. Our area was around 800 that we had called, but we missed it by 3 points. But it's okay. If somebody took it, came early in the morning. So where are we right now? 894, somewhere in between PP and let's see. So let me open up my charts and I will get you guys going to see what area. So I'm planning again, 23,000 is my plan for R2. For NASDAQ is my plan around 23,000 approximately. And you guys know what that means. And 22,600 is my other plan. So 23,000 even, and or maybe the upper range of R2, and the bottom is you're looking at 22,600. Because right now S1 is our night session low. So anybody wants to do areas, these two numbers should work good today. 22,600 and give me a second. Yeah, 22,600. Very close to expected low, but let's see. There's no news, so I don't know what the reaction would be. But let me set up my charts, reconnect everything, right click, reload. So ES is where, and Nasdaq is very close to R1 at the moment. हाँ क्या जी 23,000 Nasdaq. Funding. Give me your any desk, please. 1535. Okay, any desk, and we'll do with Bullnox. So, I'll give you 1 second. 444. If you can accept it, please. Right now, the sale is on Bullnox, and that's about it that I know of. There's no other sale at the moment. What about take profit? Take profit is 40% off, so $90. So that's still yes, correct. You not celebrate until July 24th. I believe so. So Bullnox $15 का लगा हुआ है. So our R1 is close to 920. So it's heading towards R1. So let's see what happens next. Does it give us any money from R1? Let's open up FTMOC trader. CQG. And where is ES right now? ES is somewhere 62, 83, 83. Yeah, we are inside R1 for ES at least. But the gap is so little between R1 and R2. So wait for R2. Too little gap.
I know you always put on the top of the. So normally it doesn't go over. So should we put in the middle?
अभी तो 91 अभी मार्केट खुलने वाली है 15 मिनट में. हम थोड़ा उसके बाद देखेंगे. 91 के बाद देखते हैं. Because the gap is so little from 86 to 91 to 94. Let's see. Okay. Pick a password. Oh, we left. So market fell 219 and then trying to fill the gap because around 22 R2 for Nasdaq could work. Yes. Let's see.
Yeah. Email address should be.
Okay, you can fill up the information, please. Pick a pass. You any email, any email. It doesn't matter. In this company, it doesn't matter. So waiting for Daniel's brief to begin, and then we'll go from there.
Unknown connection. First week.
Sorry. Oh, it's okay. We want to leave.
Country, I should say.
Canada. Yeah. I wasn't in the washroom. So I was just filling the water. See, what you can't see is what you can't tell. Okay, so your account is. $9:08. So our night session is building for Nasdaq. Still, we got 7 minutes, so 909 is a high. This price is in R1 for ES. Struggling a few times to break it. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth time trying to break R1. $920 became the, let's see, the price is heading towards R2. Okay, give it about 20 minutes. They just opened, so just waiting for it to log into Rhythmic. And last thing that was 922. We've crossed R1, broken R1, and heading into R2 for ES right now. Let's see if it touches R2. But officially, we're inside Nasdaq R1. ES touched R2 as well. Still climbing, 929.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Appreciate all hands in microphone. Check. Good morning.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Ji, walaikum salam. Rakesh, good morning. Chai sir, good morning. Vikas, Tamul bhai, walaikum salam. Manish, good morning. Arlene, good morning. Ranjit ji, Rizwan bhai, good morning. Nick, good morning. Manpreet ji, good morning. Majid, Sandeep ji, Sunil ji, good morning. Everybody, good morning. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our trading floor not attended as the trading advice. They are just meant to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. And do what you see, don't do what you think, and treat this market the very first day you treat. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only. And we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow, Russell 2000 basis up. Pressure high to go low would be a good strategy. R2 for S&P 500. And today, we're not going to use pivots. Market open with the gap. Pivots are not right, so should fill up the gap. That's our 98% chances. Our price will go to our R2 area and fill up the gap. The gap that we had Friday at 94. If you see 62.94, and Nasdaq was 936, 937, 22,936.37, and Nasdaq is almost fill up the gap. The S&P 500 is almost there, and that's where our R2 is, and R2 is our gap area, and it should be filled. Our high for S&P 500 is 6304 to 15. High to go low would be a good strategy. 6237 to 6225 is our low. Nasdaq, our high is 23,050 to 23,120. You see, the areas are getting tighter because of the market range. So areas are getting tighter and less movement. If you see less 50 points, even with the gap and 50 points. And Friday, if you see whole day 36 points, that's nothing if you compare to previously. And Nasdaq low is 22,680 to 620. Very even 60 points range. That's nothing if I compare to previously. Only one market that striking price is not going up. S&P striking price went up 6307, and Dow is up, Russell is up. Nasdaq is not going up. 22,830 is the striking price. It means Nasdaq will take everything to the upside. So right now, fill up the gap at our R2 area, hit and run. S&P done, market bounce back from R2, and S&P 500 almost 96 to 90 area, and that's our value area as well. Get inside the value area, we might see filling up the value area, but R2 will play a big role because market only went up to fill up the gap, and we might see our expected high for the day today and fill up the value area. Dow, nothing. That's nothing. Moved 24 points if I compare to S&P 500, 240. And right now, we're not going to use pivots today. No pivots. Even Russell 2000s, the pivots are dead. Nothing there. So Russell 2000 fill up the gap. S&P fill up the gap. All markets fill up the gap that we had in the morning. And now again, price is pushing up. And no news today, so it will be a smooth day. Either price goes up or goes down, but smooth day. It's not volatile day. Then we have currencies of British pound below PP. Base is down, pressure is down, but right now at S1 area, our Canadian dollar pushing down, fill up the value area in this morning. And now from top of the value area, just 1.5 hour, less than 1.5 hour from top of the value area, straight came down to our low of the value area, and now getting out from the value area and below value area right now. But actually just in doldrum. It's not giving us, Canadian dollar is not giving us any direction. Euro, same thing, exactly as the British pound. Right now, below PP, but not much movement, and just sitting below value area. Crude oil is coming down. Crude oil went up and almost gives back everything. And crude oil opened with the gap, fill up the gap right away. This even yesterday evening when it opened, it filled up the gap, and right now breaks our Sunday low, night session low, Sunday low. So crude oil is going down towards our expected low for the day. Might see expected low of somewhere 68 area. Gold is down. Gold is coming down right now at green midband and retracement diversion to the downside on our gold. Gold, everybody know only one strategy, and that is low to go up. Low means 240 low chart. Now, our copper, if you remember previously when Trump put the tariffs, 50% tariff, and copper went up. Right now, it's coming down very close to our Friday low area. So Friday low area, and same thing. We're not going to use the pivots because pivots are not right even on copper as well. But copper, 14 cents. That's a big push to the downside. 68 cents. Silver came down from high 39.57. It went up $3.08, and right now, yeah, somewhere. Yeah, $38 and around, yes, around $1. Should it come down to $1 where our expected low is? So silver has to come down. And natural gas, morning it was up, came down, very close to our expected low for the day and bouncing back up. And natural gas should go down. Further, the heat wave, we'll see a push to the downside. And Bitcoin made a record high, record 23,640. And Canadian, if you look Canadian right now, Bitcoin price right now is around 167,000 Canadian. Actually, 680. A few minutes before it was at 67,000. It hit 170. Who can imagine Bitcoin will hit 170,000 and even further push? Maybe before December we'll see 200,000 plus for our Bitcoin and Ethereum. Same thing, but Ethereum is not much going up. Ethereum should be above 6,000, but it hit our 3,100. So 3,100 US, around 4,500. Let me see. It was either 42, 4,200 Canadian for Ethereum. And very nice if anybody who get an Ethereum for just a month ago, 2 months ago, made very nice money and very nice push to the upside. Guys, R2, I told you guys, R2, fill up the gap, electronically traded, little bit goes up and creates a panic and then push to the downside. Very nicely, Dow bounced back down, fill up the gap. Very nicely, Russell 2000, fill up the gap. S&P 500, very nicely, 60, 94, 96, 94, 95, 96, and shoot to the downside. So if you're done, guys, just call for the day because today is a very normal, smooth day. And today, no news, but tomorrow we have very, very important data is coming. That our core CPI and CPI, and then Empire State Manufacturing Index 915. We have Bowman's speech, and then Barr speech is coming at. It's busy day. Tomorrow will be a very, very busy day. Then Wednesday we have PPI, core PPI, capacity utilization rate, and then Thursday, core retail sale and retail sale. Friday, housing start and building permits and inflation data of University of Michigan consumer sentiment. More to the downside because of tariff, we know definitely inflation will be high. And August 1st, you will see August 1st after what's the chaos in the market and even in the US. Please, guys, take the areas. And if you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here.
All right, R2 is done. If anybody took R2, they're technically done. Like the whole. Okay. Let's now sit to see if what happens next. So. 30-20 midband got tested, and now it's heading towards to maybe make a divergence. So now wait for expected high, please. Next number 23,000, still valid. Big, beautiful push from R2, both markets.
It's not showing the stock market and stock.
You have to go churn on chart trader and make sure right account is selected. Otherwise, it won't.
Selected where it shows everything else, but
Use the mouse though.
right. This mouse wasn't working.
Okay. See, you're not selecting an account.
Account. Okay. And this would be simulation, is it?
Right now it's sim. If you're doing, there's two. If you go into real account, it's now your target is to make $3,000 in 30 days. Okay. So. Right. Let's see if it goes to S1 now. R2 to S1. Let's see. असल में वो सिर्फ गैप फिल करने आई थी संडे का, संडे को खुला 658 पे, तो मैंने 2 नंबर दे दिया. मैंने कहा 841 से लॉन्ग कर दो या 23 से शॉर्ट कर दो. वो खुली 841 पे, फ्राइडे का लो था. मैंने 841 से एंटर हुआ, 861 पे आउट हुआ, अपना बनाया. Now it's coming down fast and oh, good. Come on down. I'm in profit. I'm short, by the way, from 975 to. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on now. इतनी तेज तो. This is the power of micros, guys. जिसने R2 से sell किया, you're done. Please don't trade again. If you're done your $100, $200 trade, so don't push your luck right now. So you got your good points. Now let's plan something else now. For those that are done, let's plan. Wait. S1 नहीं ले रहा जी मैं. Nasdaq, I'll take S2 for Nasdaq. Nothing before, because that's a 60-minute bottom. So let's aim for somewhere around 650. Sorry, 750. If you want to go ahead. It may test the night session, but I am not. So just saying. Because my daily targets are met already last night. So I'm just playing with micros to kind of enjoy and take extra gravy. So from 975 to 875, I took 100 points and 1 micro. Let it free fall. वो सिर्फ ऊपर गैप फिल करने गई थी और कोई काम ही नहीं था उसका. Many times me and Majid bhai speak over a Sunday call. This gap has been like, sometime it doesn't fill up the gap, just continues to go down. But today it did what it's supposed to, came, filled the gap, and did what it was supposed to. So that's the good thing. So if you took the mid band, you're done. 2 points from there. Okay, let's take a look at, I'm not in any trade.
Tesla is still low high.
Sorry? Tesla, it's okay because, it bounced down so bad. So it's not really. And Nvidia, I touch it, I feel too hot. A $4 trillion company.
I sold it.
I sold.
Just waiting for it to come down and buy it again.
I sold my Bitcoins yesterday, a little bit of it. I said, no, this is it, too much. All right, so now let's see if it pulls back up from right now 60 minutes PPs. Back up to R2 area. Let's see. 3020 is trying to make an SRES right now. The day's high has been 96 for ES. In Nasdaq, almost 980. All right, went back up. Huge stop losses from R2. Let's see if R1 acts like a resistance first around.
Which one is this? First one. This one I just leave it like that.
94.
This is a bigger time frame, so is it clear or not?
Huge swing back up inside. ES is back to almost same point where it started, fell from.
मेरा रोज हो रहा है कनेक्ट ही नहीं होता
सर आप लेट आते हैं तो हॉटस्पॉट के बगैर यहाँ चलेगा नहीं, ये प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व में वो 20-30 कनेक्शन होते हैं वो बढ़ जाते हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम. All right, let's see one more time back up to that zone. $9.29 again. Let's see if it breaks your double top. $9.34. Another mid-band worked. Price came from higher high. Gave you guys 4 points, 3 points. 929. Let's see. Nasdaq touched slightly the upper version.
Get you started with 5.
Yeah. So R2, if you saw from 94, MNQ, you these are the yep. No, right. You have to wait for both charts are magenta midband. All right. R1 is done, R2 is done. Today is now, no, not the same one time. Now we just wait for R3. So anybody doing area, just R3 is left on the table, nothing else.
Nasdaq 23,000, yeah, 23.
23,000.
टेलीग्राम में रेट्स
सिर्फ डैनियल को मेरे पास एक्सेस नहीं है आपकी, लेकिन आपका हो गया ना। हाँ ठीक है, आप बैठे हैं, आप यहाँ बैठे हैं, मैं अभी आपको टेलीग्राम कर देता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम। विक्रम भाई ट्रेड में तो नहीं, इनका टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप ज्वाइन करवा दे सर, वो फोन पे। मेरा ख्याल है स्टेप 3 होने वाला है इनका। यस, सिर्फ स्टेप 3। हाँ जी, /start। यस, I will get you going to।
Not yet, for us.
Back inside the zone of 920. Let's see.
That's safe, right? I can't let it come out.
Four is not a good. I put three.
हाँ जी मैंने सॉरी लिखा था रिप्लाई जस्ट रीस्टार्ट निंजा मैं लॉग आउट करके डन
But if it doesn't hit 8, you can come out with 4.
Another but this midband was coming from higher low, so it's okay. All right. Okay. Price wants to go up, but Nasdaq is not breaking R1. Don't do charts. It's gonna slow down your system big time. Just use Nasdaq right here on the areas.
Okay.
So I duplicate this in new tab,
Got it.
and then we will put NQ as an area here, or MNQ.
Okay.
Because if you start loading it, maybe on 3020 you can copy. Not recommended on 1510. Too fast in the morning. Okay. Okay. Surprise. No, so 36 पे घूम रही है.
So generally, Nasdaq and DES
Work together because that I'll actually I'm about to explain today's. I will explain. No problem. I need this to be at 919. Divergence on SRES trade was good on 1510. All right, if I can just the light eleven. All right, so perfect. What's the price back to 943? $47, $48. Back into R2 one more time, trying to break R2. 97 is the previous high. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Just want to make sure I'm not in any trade. Very close to R2 for Nasdaq again. Let's see if it respects it this time again. ES is back to above R, has crossed R2. Where's Dow sitting? Dow is not today. Dow is in R2 as well. And Russell has crossed R2. So more chances are it should. Everybody's in that range. All right, we're inside that number again. 64. So anybody looking for area for ES gotta wait for at least R3. Eh. And our value area is sitting at 6307 tak. So if anybody wants to pick a number between for RSES 070675, that's where the value area is. So just keep an eye on that, please. That'll give you an idea. Just yes, ES value area is sitting inside R2, R3. So this number is critical. All right, the new students, congratulations on completing your 4 classes, Saturday, Sunday, and then I know class 1, by the time you're done class 4, you've forgotten class 1. It's okay, don't worry about it. Um, all of our classes are recorded on superareas.com. You can log in anytime and just go through lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything. Little bit about me. My name is Rafe. This is the number 647-228-0694. This is a support number. It's a WhatsApp number. You will have eventually you'll get to a funded program or copier. So take it down. If you have a question, you can't get a hold of Daniel, you will send a message to this number. Somebody will reply. Depending on the type of questions, they'll reply accordingly. So if it's complicated versus easy, whatever it is, they will. So we are in the upper range now. It has broken 980. I'll still do the commentary while. So let's see if it tries to break 980 this time. It's coming. This one is 6099. Very close, coming to expect 5 points left to get to your expected high. Give me a second. Just I stopped because let's see if it bounces from here, because 60-minute has a resistance here at 62.99. Let's see if it does a mid-band trade first and continues to go up or wants to go up in one shot. $62.99.25. Nasdaq is above R2, slightly 1 point above R2. $99.75. Maybe one mid-band before it goes up. Let's see. It comes down to 60. Okay, 10 points almost from 80. $75 still. Let's see if it gets to 60. Five-minute candle will open in 10:30. Third candle. Let's see. Mid-band touched. Let's see. $20 points almost done from Nasdaq upper number, 980 to 960. ES has given you 1 point so far. I have my orders hitting at 6307. $63.0675. That didn't go as high. Sorry, you guys want to get started, but
That's a unique, yeah.
Big drop from almost. Okay, didn't pick up my order. All right, we'll wait for 7 later. All right, so what is superareas.com? Win lifetime, limitless wealth enterprise. It's an AI-based algorithm that we use to help you predict the markets. It works for futures, stocks, option, crypto, anything whatsoever that you can use. We've been here since 2008. We have 15 employees, and now we have 3 trading floors. Let me change this because last week we got our 3rd training floor. It's a Canadian-based company. We have 12,000 or so members, just like yourself, that have graduated this program of 4 classes globally, and this number is going up because of NinjaTrader. The software that's running in front of you is called Ninja 2.1. We have 4 data analysts who are monitoring the market, at least from 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. Saturday, we do the seminars, and right now we're doing 15 markets predictions every day. New students take you about 3 months. So 3 of you have any trading experience prior? Never have traded? Never traded. A little bit. Okay, no problem. So for at least a week or so, you'll be in demo mode. You're not going to put in your own money, nothing like that. After that, once you're comfortable, we'll put you in a funded program, and then you will never use your own money for a long time. So let's give you a little bit of an orientation. What's your job? Your job is to sit in front of 20, this thing is moving 23 hours a day. Your job is just to say, is the price going up or down? That's it. Nothing else. Is it going to go up or down? You're not dealing with stocks, so a little bit of a basic knowledge I will give you. Number 1, you're becoming a day trader. So now you've decided to start your career into trading. 3 of you I'll ask after this, sit with Majid Bhai for at least the first room beside Daniel. He will give you very, very basics, entry, exit, buy and sell idea. So you're becoming a day trader. What's the difference of a day trader versus other? You are closing your trades by 5 p.m. That's the maximum you are going to be inside a trade for. You're not going to be holding it up. So the market is from 6 p.m. all the way until 5 p.m. So last night, Sunday, 6 p.m. market opened. Now it will close at today, 5 o'clock, and then open 6 again. So what is a day trader? True definition, they don't hold a trade more than 23 hours a day. You're not holding a trade for 1 week, 1 day, not just maximum 23 hours closing, and as low as maybe and as high as maybe 23 hours and 50, almost 22 hours and 59 minutes. That's the longest trade you can hold. Whole goal is just to predict. So why these definitions are important? If you go sit somewhere now and you decide to talk about trading, few things you should know. What are you trading? So because it's a big, big universe and you need to know what exactly is that you do at the beginning. Yes, software is great, everything is fine, but your definition is a day trader. You're not doing options here. You're not doing stocks. You're not doing crypto. You're not doing anything except trading futures. So you're a day trader that trades futures market. What is futures market? There are many, many things out there. S&P 500, Nasdaq. So I'll make 2 circles, and in one I will write S&P 500. I'll make another circle called Nasdaq and Q US 100. And inside 75 companies are together. So these are the 2 world's biggest traded index. And indexes or indices, these 2 are, there are 500 stocks. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Pfizer, banking stocks. So instead of you having some money and buying one, you go and buy this, so your money is managed properly. It's an average between 500 stocks together. So S&P 500 is in futures market, the symbol is ES or MES. So this is what you will be trading at the very beginning. So we are going to narrow you down into a huge universe down to one thing, and you are becoming a day trader trading futures market, and you'll start by trading S&P 500, ES or MES. These are the two symbols for this. Now, what is S&P 500? 500 companies, one stock put together, there's a value. So let's look at the value right now. It's trading at 62.87. That's the current number of, let's do 62.88. So this index value is 62.88 right now, at this second. Next, now it's actually dropping, or actually hovering around 88.25. So you're a day trader, you have decided to become a futures trader. Now I'll give you a quick update. Why do we do this and why do we bring users into this program first? It doesn't require any money. You don't need money to be able to do stocks. Stocks, if you want to buy, let's say Apple stock. I don't know what is Apple trading at, but let's say it's trading at $200 for one stock. You need $200 at least to buy one, then commission, and then you wait, and it doesn't move that. Maybe it moves $2 or $5. If you want to buy Amazon or Google or anything, you need a lot of money. Options too, you need some money, not a lot. Futures market, you don't need any money. You basically you finish the software, you get hired by a company, you use their capital, end of the story. You don't need to risk your own money into trading. That's the best part. And in futures market, your job is to sit 23 hours a day if you like. Nobody likes to sit. Most people today were done by 5 minutes. So you'll be trading maybe these 3 sessions. 8 to 11, that's the maximum. I'm giving you the highest possible. 8 to 11, 2 to 5 p.m. This is a.m. or 3 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the morning. These are the 3 biggest sessions where the price moves, where the market, where the traders like yourself come into the system and they trade. Really, after that, it's not really a volume, because the whole idea of a trader, all of us are, by the way, market thieves. What our job is to go out there and find losing traders and rob them. That's our job is. We don't create anything, zero value to the market. We don't own Apple. We don't create Apple. We don't create Amazon. All we do is just go with where the people are buying or selling, and we go in and steal their money. So if there's 100 people come in every day, 97 will lose. Crazy market, eh? A lot of 3% sit. They work with the software. They're disciplined, and so your job is just to sit, wait, get your entry, get out, get it done, and that's all we're going to be using. Now, the software to do this is called NinjaTrader 8.1 right now, the current version you have installed. This software will help you understand what is going on in the markets. So right now, you see a lot of screens. Don't worry. This 8 or 9 mathematical concepts, and you will learn it 1 or 2 within a month maximum. Now, there's an algorithm that helps you understand how the market moves. You see the colors and charts and movings and lines. This is an algorithm. You have TikTok on your phone, that's works with an algorithm. Instagram works with an algorithm. Facebook works with an algorithm. One of the worst software that you use today is TikTok, by the way. Because as a software developer, I know amount of data that they extract out of you. What is an algorithm? It's a bunch of computer instructions. just looking to see what you're doing. So if you're watching a lot of cat videos or cooking videos, your next video is going to be same. It's collecting your data, so it's listening to you. Even though your phone is off, it's listening to you because you have given the agreements. It's recording you while you watch the video. It actually looks at your pupils and see on Facebook how far, what part of screen you're watching. So it's very, very intelligent. So it's an AI-based learning tool. So they can see on this pixel by this screen, where exactly is your eye watching? That's where they want to place the trade. That's where they want to place an ad there, because human and everybody's after TikTok. Biggest customer base is there. Instagram is losing, so they're trying all sorts of things to, because your attention has gone to TikTok. Before it was Facebook. Now Facebook is for spreading rumors and for old folks, right? So WhatsApp is the worst, just for forwarding rumors, right? So WhatsApp listens, TikTok, whatever their privacy watchdog is, don't trust anything. There's no such thing as privacy, by the way. Your Google Maps, your YouTube, everybody's listening. We get used to it. Just don't say anything stupid. They're reading it. They're whatever they.
Now it's
It's great because what happens is these tools are designed for mass surveillance. Just telling you, they're designed for this. Why WhatsApp is free? Why Facebook is free? Because you're voluntary. Before somebody to monitor you. Are you a good person or a bad person? What do you do? So when all this revolution of digital came, you're voluntary telling, hey, I'm in France right now. Look at me. I'm eating. Look at me. So they don't need anything. They're like, man, just put up this page. People will start posting about themselves. So this is becoming a mass surveillance tool globally with a cost, fraction of a cost. Before they wanted to spy on you, they needed a lot of things. Now these apps are doing the work for them. That's why they're free. Just ethical here. Our job is to watch the market, forget about how these tools work. You're a day trader, you're trading futures, you're trading with NinjaTrader 8.1. This algorithm that helps you predict what is the market is going to do is is super areas. And the last thing is, once you're ready, we'll put you in a funded program. We won't let you use your own money for at least 3-4 months. Now, what is futures trading? Like I said, let's narrow in there. ES 6288. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? That's it. Nothing else. If you are in the right direction, you win. Goes down, you win. Right now, price went from 88 to 92, just what we were watching right now. If you were in the right direction and you were saying it will go down or up, you made money. So there's really, really nothing else except the fact that you're just sit and look at all of this. Give me a second. While I take a bit of a trade. So let's zoom into ES for now. So 6288. The way ES moves, I'll stick to ES because there are other markets, gold, natural gas, futures, and lots of things, but I don't want to make things complicated. The ways the price of S&P 500 futures contract moves by 25 cents. So if the price has to go to 89, it has to climb 4 ticks, meaning 4 quarters. So how it will move? 0, 0, 0, 25, 50, 75, and same thing, 25, 50, 75. So in order to make $1, price has to move up 4 quarters to be able to go up. So this is how S&P 500 moves. So every time it goes from 88 to 89, and price in front of us went to 93 almost. right? You make or lose $50. So $1 of S&P 500 is $50. And then if you lose, same thing. If you're thinking price is going up, but it goes down, you lose $50. So whole game just works on predicting what is the next move. Is it going to go up or down? Now to break this $50 down, each tick moves by $12.50. That's how $50 are accumulated. Our goal is to sit in front of this damn thing for 23 hours a day and make $2. What does that mean? If the price goes from 88 to 90, you make $100. Because that's, and if you're wrong, you lose $100 because, so where do we come in? Our job as a superareas.com, Win Lifetime, is to help you predict the direction of the market. That's why these mathematical calculations are happening. There's lots of lines that are going through. All this is doing is analyzing what it could happen next. So same I always give, look at this weather of afternoon, 32 degrees. Soon you will see a weather for next Friday. Let's see if it shifts after from day to a week. They're doing the same thing. They're predicting what will happen in the weather. We are predicting what will happen in the market. So this is a great tool that helps you understand how to trade futures. Once you do futures, you can do options. You can do stocks. You can, like, if somebody says, let's buy Tesla, all you have to do is just open up Tesla in here and it will give you a calculation. Is it a good buy or a good sell? If when a market goes down, you can analyze any stock, any cryptos. Right now, look at crypto is trading at $121 for Bitcoin. So you can do crypto as well. Our goal is to make $100 a day. That is all you need to be able to make 10,000 US dollars a month. That's it. That's a month, like a couple of accounts and few different funded, and you'll be fine. So it's not that complicated. The problem you will encounter, the problems you will get is you'll get excited, emotions will come in. So most of the users are losers because of not trading. They know how to buy, they know how to sell. They have no discipline. I am waiting for the price to get to 6307. There's a specific, very critical reason for it. This is our mathematical calculation that, hey, if the price goes there, sell. Why? You will get to learn within a week. All these numbers have a value. Vikram Bhai is kind enough to write that every day. These numbers have a value. So you will learn everything. But right now, discipline is to sit and wait. It actually was going up and then started to come down. I'm not jumping in a trade, meaning I'll just, okay, I feel like it's going down. I feel like it's going up. So eventually you will make some money, then you will lose, then you will make, then you will lose. If you have no discipline, if you have discipline, there's no losing here. There's a stop loss. Yes, market can do anything, but our predictions are 90% accurate. That's the claim we have. And this year, July has hit, we haven't hit a stop loss yet. So this is really good. But most people are going to lose based on discipline. What will happen is you will make money, you will lose, you will make, you will lose. You will start doing your own analysis and you're not ready yet, right? And eventually what will happen is you will be coming to a T-junction in your life, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, a year. Either you will quit this or either you will fix your discipline. There's no like third way around it. You will come and you will talk to yourself, oh yaar, Rafi bhai ne pehle din kaha tha ki yaar ye karna hai. Jitni jaldi discipline ho jayenge, utni jaldi. Your goal is to make $100 a day. That's it. I will show you how to replicate that into 10,000 a month, into 20,000 a month. I have users who are taking well over. I posted yesterday 2 students, incredible. One guy took out a payout of $54,000 from Apex, and one lady took out $30,000 out of, and they all just have multiple accounts. $100 to $200 a day, and boom. Problem is, I'm not going to put you in that state of mind yet. At least for 3 months. Show me you can make $100 a day consistently based on one strategy. We'll show you 14 strategy. So you have a bit of a homework now. Go home. There's one video that I want you to watch. Go into super areas. It's called How to Use Ninja Trader, Beginner's Guide. Please watch that. That will definitely help you get going in terms of so if you go on superareas.com in a green tab, it says Beginner's Guide on how to use Ninja Trader. So this is what I would like you to at least watch for the next couple of days. And then that's your basic thing. Trading is easy. Discipline is the hard part. I keep telling you every single Saturday or orientation, not hard at all. You just need to know there's 5 aspects of this. What are you buying or selling? So let's just do what. What is S&P 500? Where you're going to do it digitally on your computer. Why? Because you want to make money. That's 3, what, where, and why. When, leave that to us for now. So let the software do the work for you. When to buy, when to sell, let the computer do the work. You will eventually be okay when to buy, when to sell. So what to buy, S&P 500. Where to buy on Ninja Trader. And then last thing is, again, when to buy, leave that to us. So that's it really for the next, for whole life. Welcome on board. It's a community. If you're not able to come, you can connect to us virtually. We're coming to your homes. Your package includes 4 months of this. So 4 months I'm here. We believe 4 months is enough for somebody to go in, because otherwise if we had this for life, I would need 1,000 seats or 12,000 seats globally, right? So what happens is beginners sit here, kind of intermediately advanced, and then they exit the door. Meaning that's how, actually really now we have another office for beginners. We do have a couple of female mentors. If you are, that teaching one in the secondary room, that's an option too. They know it, the whole system. And a person with no experience can be ready to make a couple of $100 a day within, I would say, 3 months. So give yourself time, because 9 to 11, I won't be teaching. I'll be just giving you brief, so what you've been hearing today. Eventually, all of this will make sense to you. So when I say I'm taking this number, this batch knows already, because they went through here to here to here, and now they can sit anywhere in the world. They can listen to Daniel's brief. Hey, high to go low. Let's do R2, and that's it. There's nothing. There's no magic. Eventually, you will give up if you don't have discipline. I tell you this on day one. You will say, this is not working out. We have an open challenge for 12,000 students. Come here, sit down, and me or Daniel can sit down and say, what is going on? If you're not making money, end में कहेंगे जी, discipline नहीं आ रहा, greed हो जाती है. What happens is you make a $50 so easy, your brain is going to say, now let's make another 50, let's make another 50, and then this is going to ruin your life on addiction. So we're waiting for 23,000. That's the next number. I think we got to almost 989. हाँ थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो गया 50 का एरिया, बस लेकिन 23,000 के बाद कुछ ना कुछ तो दे मुझे. अभी तो यहीं पर खड़ा है. R2 के अबव दोनों एग्जैक्टली सिंक हैं आज, क्योंकि डाउ आ गई है R2 से नीचे और रसल भी R2. So I think the downwards pressure is starting to build up on these 4 markets. So that's it. So your practice as much. Nothing here you can damage. They'll cost you any money. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So if you want to go start today, you're more than welcome to. Just sit down with Majid Bhai. He will tell you how to buy, how to sell, and kind of give you. So that video is important. It kind of gives you an overview of the chart. So, bless you. All right. So What are you watching here? What's the background color? What is the mid-band? What's the chart trader? So a little bit of introduction will come from that video. And then tomorrow morning, just sit down, just say, I'm brand new. I need to. It depends on how fast you are or how excited you are. You will eventually make it not a big deal. Now, if you have any questions, answer right now. Generally, from 9 to 11, I'm not teaching anything. 11 to 12, or you have very specific questions, I'm here for you. Because most of the crew knows everything. 94 again. ठीक है जी. Hopefully, this all makes sense. No problem. Take care.
That's it. Okay.
Gold is approaching expected low. Okay, yeah, very soon, almost $6 left. Let's see. And I do teach this on a Zoom, basic, beginner, advanced. Once a week, sometime I'll announce you that what time is my class. So because I do teach virtual students at different, we have 13 mentors teach at different time. So if I teach, I'll announce it. And that will come, most of my communication happens over Telegram. So Telegram, we have a free group. It says general public, that we're posting some updates, this and that. So just go on superareas.com, download Telegram, and it will say basic. Because of no news, our price today really bounced from R2, and now we're still waiting for 6307 is the number I'm waiting for to do any trade for S&P 500, because computer has predicted that as a value area top. वापस वही को घूम जा रही है. R1 R2 के दरमियान ही आज R के 83 84. There you go.
बुलॉक्स का लेना है दो.
ठीक है, ले दें. आप जाएं सुपर एरियाज पे जाए ना, मेन पेज पे क्लिक करें बुलॉक.
My account don't use double funded account loan.
Okay. Just buy another one. That's it. Sorry?
He's not able to log it in.
No,
They're telling him we don't have a profile.
no, give me any desk. We just created one and you made $400 on the first day.
He gave him like two language and
Okay, give me your any desk. Any profile रहता है account. Give me your any desk. I will log in. No.
He made another account with another email. उसको ज्वाइन करें बुलॉक्स
बुलॉक्स पे क्लिक करें, साइन अप करें. बुलॉक्स BULE.
ज्वाइन नाउ
Join now. You click sign up.
You have to see contacts $145.
नहीं 50,000 वाले पे क्लिक करें और कोड डालें सुपर एरियाज SUPER. तो आपकी वो $15 का. हाँ जी.
सो उसके बाद
अब नीचे जाएं,
पेमेंट सेक्शन पे
नहीं पहले प्रोजेक्ट पे अपना फॉर्म, आपके पास अकाउंट तो नहीं है ना अभी, तो अब ये फॉर्म भरें और रिदमिक पे क्लिक करें। बिगिनर्स, आप पहले अपना आज विषय उधर ना बैठे, वो वीडियो प्लीज कल रात देख लीजिए, आज रात देख लीजिएगा। जब भी वीडियो देखने फिर माजिद भाई के फर्स्ट ऑफिस में बैठना है। या देन he'll get you going।
यूजर नेम वगैरह
यूजर कोई बना लें,
तो यूजर नेम हमें उसकी तरह बनाना है जो सॉफ्टवेयर
हाँ कुछ भी बना लें, doesn't matter। Did you send me just WhatsApp me any desk? You don't need to move. I'll come to your computer. Just WhatsApp me your any desk. I want to see what exactly is going. Now starting to break 992 became the high. $11 candle opened. Let's see which way it wants to go. $50,000 पे और
उसके साथ एग्री करके ना
agree करें और make sure rhythmic, pick rhythmic. System has to be. Did you send me any desk?
No, he's but the point is that
नहीं any desk my downloads में पड़ा है any desk, एक icon पड़ा
क्या वो अपना पेमेंट सिस्टम में
कोई भी करे. So for Nasdaq, somebody asked me, I'm still waiting for expected high. 23,050. Remember, 112 is the previous. So
23,050
50 के ऊपर जा रहा हूँ मैं, क्योंकि FOMC वाले दिन 23,112 पे गया था. So that was, और पीछे 23,087 भी गया है, तो 23,000 के बाद जरा गेम शुरू होगी हमारी. लो जी, we're almost getting into the zone of. Okay, give me the number. Yeah. Accept, please. Yeah, accept it, please.
ये डला तो if you look in names and entries or registered home, it was so smart. ये डाल
Let's open up Ninja and let's look at your bull knocks. हाँ जी, $15 बनेगी ना. ओके,
नेम लगा रहा हूँ फिर भी वो कह रहा है
दिखाएं. आपका ऑलरेडी है तो नहीं है सिस्टम इसके अंदर?
नहीं
कभी बनाया तो वो कह रहे हैं कि आपने क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं पिक किया.
ओके
हाँ, 23,000 के अंदर तो आ गई है. लेट्स सी.
इसको नहीं चेंज करना, वो ईमेल को नहीं चेंज करना।
ये पहले कॉपी बस कीवर्ड अपने फैसला को डाल दो, फांसी GW ADA बाकी यहाँ पर GW DA5
थाउजेंड पे उठे एक लॉट है
50 पे एक माइक्रो सही है। अच्छा जल्दी ले लिया, नो प्रॉब्लम। 50 चलें, हो जाए, अभी वेट कर लें। एक माइक्रो लिया, ठीक है ठीक। 50 पे एक माइक्रो और लेट्स सी बिकॉज इट्स wants to fill the value area.
ईमेल चेंज कर लो सर, वो वही है।
एक्चुअली आप ब्राउजर बंद करके ना दोबारा ट्राई कीजिएगा। Can you log into your emails? I'm gonna search. I don't know which email you use, so it could be a bit tricky. आपका 23,000 वाला तो अभी निकल जाएगा। अब तो वो तो पूरा हो जाएगा। टेक केयर जी। ये एक माइक्रोस में द मिड बैन वर्क बाय द वे फॉर दोज टेकिंग लुकिंग एट मिड बैन। Again, this time got to 6301, very close. Let's see if it fills the value area.
सर हो गया।
Okay. No, that's not the username. Okay. Did we use this browser or did we use this one? We used Chrome. Let's see if we saved it. Give me a second. No.
Translation of policies. Nothing is
You don't remember which email you used, right? Okay. That could be a bit tricky.
another email.
हो गया, प्रैक्टिस लग रहा है ना।
वो तो पहले भी एक ही है, तो सही है।
काम करो, जो आप विजिट करो अभी मैनुअली टाइप करो, तो जो वीडियो आ रहा है ना करो यार। टोरंटो को भी टाइप करो, बस एक वो कर दो। उसको भी टिका हुआ ऐसा नहीं और वास्तव भी आपको टाइप कर आप ऑटो फिल कर रहे थे ना वो भी प्रॉब्लम आती है और जो सा ब्लू है ना जो एड्रेस पे ब्लू है ना ये आप इसको टाइप कर देते हैं
Very close to over 50 zone. Let's see, got to 22 this time.
अब आपको फोन नंबर लिखा थे अच्छा हाँ
सर 50 क्रॉस कर जाए ना तो फिर मैं रिस्क क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ नंबर पीछे वाले भी हैं 87 भी है 112 भी है तो 50 तो अगर मुझे एवरेज करनी पड़ी तो
how many quantities एक पर क्लिक करें
सर 2 माइक्रो 2 माइक्रो और 3 माइक्रो मैक्सिमम डिपेंडिंग ऑन अकाउंट साइज account size no more than 5 micros otherwise it can destroy you fast Nasdaq can we almost got to 23,000 again 0.22 63 और 4 पे तो आ जा भाई but anybody who took a mid band and 95 has done your 3-4 points let's see if my 3 candle rule works here this is 3 candle third candle if it makes a black dot or not oh man let's try chatting with them see which email did you use
सर इसके बाद क्या करना
मैं अभी आपको do you remember any password that may go along with it there you go just remember this now and the email that's with your profile is this one is that the one you never tried all right it's okay so let's get you another account super areas okay just take a picture of it this is your username all right so I'm logging out in 10 minutes your new account will show up
And did you cancel his last week?
yeah because it's such a good sale I'm not canceling at least 30 days into it क्योंकि अगर renewal भी 15 का ही है so 50 no take bull longs legend is right now $40 I believe yeah there you go mid band is starting to go up आपके उसके equal number पे तो है प्रॉफिट लिया चलो कोई बात नहीं अच्छी चलो कुछ आ जाए भागती चोर की लंगोटी मिल जाए
50 पे रखा सर
मैं 50 पे बैठा हूँ पहले मैं स्प्लिट करूंगा अपने कोड्स एरिया सो एक 250 पे 280 पे, सॉरी 50 और 120 पे, 80 में गलत पढ़ रहा हूँ। हुआ जी, हो गया। अच्छा, अब दें मुझे एनी डेस्क तो ताकि आप लोगों का सेट करूँ मैं। अच्छा, दोनों ही दे दें। मैं 115 427 038 एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे। वही पर 23,000 पे ही खड़ा है अभी। एंड आप अपना दीजिएगा
1121
112
050
एक्सेप्ट करें। So what we are downloading right now, it's called the Rhythmic Trader Pro. ये ऐप है. So this will help you and actually like आपका सारा ledger इसके अंदर आता है. How many trades you took, what is your cash balance, what is your like amount left, everything is inside this thing. पूरा ledger आपका इधर है. So we'll install this.
So the new account will come automatically.
10 minutes, just restart Ninja, it will show up automatically. Because the next wave may come after 2 o'clock now, because or maybe anytime 11:15 is 15:10 has a bit of an SRES. Let's see. So what we are doing is you should take a picture of this. This is your username password for your ये आपका बुलनॉक्स का यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड है. ठीक, और ये आपकी ईमेल जो एसोसिएटेड है, सॉरी, और आपकी ईमेल जो एसोसिएटेड है ये वाली है. ठीक है. Yeah, you can. Yeah. If you want to go now, tomorrow, it's up to you. It's नहीं confirm नहीं करनी. Confirm that. वो 100 पूछे नहीं, वैसी उनकी जॉब ही है ये. नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर आप वीडियो देख लेंगे तो शायद वो, अच्छा वो वाला बिगिनर्स वाला. ठीक है. अभी मैंने एक सेशन किया था. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. हाँ, इसका 3,000 का टारगेट है और 20 दिनों में आप कर सकते हैं. 15 दिनों में रोज के $200 $100 रखें और गेम खत्म करेंगे. पास होने वाले. नहीं सर, 5 मिनट बैंड तो मैं काउंट कर गया हूँ जाते हुए ऊपर. चलिए एरियाज में कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, 94. आपको सेफ लगता है तो आप वेट करें. 63 हो है. हाँ, ये किसके साथ बैठा है ये? अभी ये तो कोई तबाही ना निकाले हमारी, पता लगे.
यूक्रेन के पीछे पड़ा.
नेक्स्ट एरिया 6304 से स्टार्ट होगा. आई एम गोइंग इन फ्रॉम 6307, so I'm waiting for value area. And Nasdaq, I'm waiting for 23,050 at least.
कितने का फंडिंग अकाउंट है अगर 3,000 आप कर
अब है सॉरी
3,000 बना लेते हैं कितना के फंडेड अकाउंट है उसमें
आगे भी यही होता है। तो आपको $2,500 का थ्रेश मिलता है, थ्रेशोल्ड, और आपने जिस वक्त राउंड 2 में 41 बना लिए ना, तो आपको 1,500 यूएस मिल जाएगा। अपने तो नहीं डाले, अपने तो इस हाँ सर, वो आपको देखिए, आपने अभी दिए $15, उन्होंने को एग्जाम दे दिया। राउंड 2 में आपका रिस्क 148 है, आपके 148 है, उनका रिस्क आ जाएगा 2,500 माइनस 148, उनका रिस्क आ गया 2,350, तो वो आपको 150 में 2,350 दे रहे हैं। अगर नुकसान हुआ तो उनका, प्रॉफिट हुआ तो आपका। बड़ी अच्छी। नहीं, राउंड 2 में तो आप जितना मर्जी टाइम लें, कोई स्ट्रेस ही नहीं है। तो देयर इज नो, राउंड 1 में 30 डेज हैं, लेकिन एग्जाम भी $15 का है। तो रोज के 200 निकालें, 150 पास हो जाता है, इतना। अगेन मेरे लिए शायद कहना आसान है, मैं 1000 दिन से यहाँ बैठा हूँ, लेकिन
सर अपनी मुश्किल से 100 के नजदीक
नहीं 100 तो सर 2 पॉइंट लेने होते हैं, 22 साल
used to अब
हो जाएंगे, बहुत इजी हो जाएगा। आप मुझे बता रहे होंगे जी इस अकाउंट पे सेल लगी है, मैंने ये क्लियर कर लिया है, सो डोंट वरी।
अल्लाह कर सकते
नहीं क्यों नहीं सर, आपने राइट जगह पे आ गए हैं, तो गेट स्टार्टेड।
e-commerce material income कॉलेज के बाद चलेगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया साल हो गया इसको ऐसे में अमेरिका चलिए ये अमेरिका सही ठीक अमेरिका है ये अमेरिका अमेरिका क्यों करना ये करना अमेरिका
ये लें सर, आपका अकाउंट रेडी है, यहाँ पर 2 नजर आएंगे, सिम एंड बुलनॉक्स। जब प्रैक्टिस में करना है तो सिम में कर लें, रियल में करना है तो अपने अकाउंट में। सेम हियर, आपका भी सिम एंड बुलनॉक्स। तो सिम में जितनी मर्जी प्रैक्टिस करें, और बुल आपको 3 नए भेज रहा हूँ। ऑल डन जी। तो वहीं पर ही घुस रही है, और बुलनॉक्स
सर कनेक्शन पे जाके भी
हाँ,
simulation
आपको बुलनॉक्स नजर आएगा कनेक्शंस के अंदर जाके। ये एग्जैक्ट
सिमुलेशन के बजाय बोलना
यहाँ पे हमें सिमुलेशन और जो की चार्ट पे जैसे या आप सिमुलेशन करें उसको
All right, let's see if it goes up.
बुलनॉट खोले सिमुलेशन पे भी आपको ट्रैक कर
नहीं, आपका एग्जाम सिमुलेशन वाला नहीं है। Okay, let's see some of these copiers going. Okay, let's do your ending disk.
खेलने में अब ये देख जाते तो
क्या रोजाना में 400 आगे
टेस्ला आ गया रखे ना आपने टेस्ला भी।
मैं अभी रेथियन में हूँ जो बम बनाता है। ताकि थोड़ा टेस्ला जब डिप हुआ था मैं लेके इन एंड आउट हुआ और निकल गया।
जब 224 पे आया था तब तो प्ले किया गया 24 एकदम $42 भी आप लिया था।
आपको भी बाय करना तो जनरल डायनामिक्स के जो इंजन है ना ये जो उसका बोइंग का था अब उसमें उन्होंने कह दिया कि इट्स मोस्ट लाइक इट वाज एन पायलट है तो अब उसके शेयर एकदम बढ़ जाएंगे।
मैं असल में जब आप फ्यूचर्स कर लो ना तो स्टार्ट करने का दिल ही नहीं करता क्योंकि इन एंड आउट इतना जल्दी है कि आप इन्वेस्ट भी करोगे। अब इसमें तो इतना आसान है कि भाई जी आपने एक सर्टेन प्राइस से लिया और इन एंड आउट किया। So there is no reason sometime to pick expensive stocks. लेकिन दो बैठे हुए थे दोनों ने नहीं देखा।
ये बात आ रही है एक कह रहा है
तुमने क्यों किया
तुमने बंद कर दिया। वो कह रहा मैंने नहीं किया।
नहीं कहते वो देखो जो बच्चे को भी आप डांटते
चलो उसमें हो गया लेकिन फिर फिक्स नहीं हो सकता।
उसने फिक्स किया ना भाई इट टेक्स टाइम।
ओके
फ्यूल छोटा ऑन उस वक्त करते जो इंजन स्टार्ट
ओके
ठीक है इंजन से स्टार्ट हुआ वो हो रहा था उसका आरपीएम तो चल रहा था हल्का फुल्का दूसरा नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ देन वो सेटल हो चुका हुआ था स्टॉप
लोडेड भी बहुत था ना।
अच्छा
कब की बात अगर 1000 के ऊपर चला जाए तो बता रहा मैं तो ये गोइंग फ्लाइट क्यों तो वो जब ऊपर जाता है तो मतलब V1 होती है कि आपने उस स्पीड को लो कि आपने अबोर्ड करना नहीं करना एंड देन वो उसका सारा पता चलता है कि जब आप ग्राउंड पे होते हैं ना जब थ्रॉटल पे सारी इंडिकेशंस आ जाती हैं कि इंजन सही है नहीं है फ्यूल सही है नहीं आ रही है जब वो 50 फीट ऊपर जाता है 100 फीट पे आपने गियर अप करना है उसने गेयर अप करने के बजाय उसने छोटा कॉल को नीचे कर दिया।
Oh,
दिस एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शुड हैव हैपेंड।
so that's from black box.
हाँ, ब्लैक बॉक्स तो ये कह रहा है क्योंकि गेयर्स नीचे थे, तो गेयर्स
Right.
तो इसका मतलब जो ब्लैक बॉक्स को दूसरा पायलट बोल रहा है वो राइट बोल रहा
वो सही बोल रहा है।
है। तूने बंद कर दी।
हाँ,
Looking for Daniel? He's inside. I look like him, but I'm not. Sorry. I know most people confuse. Sorry.
तो वो ये होती है कैसे गेयर 50 फीट का।
All right, guys, we are inside the area for those looking for an area. हैं?
कहाँ से आप
नहीं, I mean area को टच कर रहा है, एक टिक रह गया।
क्या नंबर है?
7 तक का वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं।
63 और 70
हाँ, वो तो वैल्यू एरिया, लेकिन हम एरिया के अंदर आ गए हैं।
जी। आपने किस पे किया?
अभी नहीं, अभी तो ऑर्डर लगा हुआ है 7 पे, क्योंकि एरिया हमारा स्टार्ट हो रहा है 4 से 15 तक। और इधर मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ 50 का।
जो है मतलब टच होगा।
No. All right, we're inside the area now at 63.05, expected high for today. अब यहाँ से मुड़ गई तो किस्मत फिर खराब है। ओके,
Strike price भी high 60 और 70.
हाँ, वैल्यू एरिया सब कुछ उधर ही गिर रहा है। सिक्सटी 63.05 से मुड़ा।
इथेरियम भी बढ़िया चलेगा।
हाँ?
इथेरियम इथेरियम क्रिप्टो इथेरियम बहुत बढ़िया चलेगा। मार्केट प्राइस बात हो रही थी उस दिन जाते हुए फ्राइडे, बोला था XRP करना चाहिए, अगर जाते सारे ले गए। अच्छा चलेगा।
मैं तो कल परसों ही अपने थोड़े से बिटकॉइन पड़े थे, वही निकालें।
ये जो इसका स्टेकिंग होता है वो उसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग क्या होता है?
ऐसे कभी किया नहीं,
क्या नहीं किया?
मुझे मालूम नहीं है।
070 है.
असल में उससे कई दफ़ा आपको थोड़ा बहुत कमीशन मिलता रहता है, तो आपकी क्रिप्टो लॉक पड़ी रहती है, आप ही की है, तो वो उससे क्या करते हैं, वैलिडेट ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं उसके। सो हाउ डज इट एग्जैक्टली वर्क, आई डोंट नो, बट
वो अनस्टेक कर सकते हैं ना,
हाँ वो आपको लॉक रहती है एक्सचेंज के ऊपर।
उसका कोई टाइम पीरियड होता है?
मेरा नहीं ख्याल, या आप उसको थोड़ा सा एक ब्लॉक 1 मंथ 2 मंथ 3 मंथ कुछ इस तरह कर सकते हैं। सो सम यूजर्स यूज इट टू जनरेट सम इनकम,
ओके,
सो लेट्स सी।
बट वो ऑटो रिन्यू तो नहीं होती ना,
नहीं नहीं नहीं
हमें
मेरा
खुद ही करनी होती। वो क्रिएशन के लिए एक्चुअली डांस का देखो कहाँ पे नहीं तो नीचे
है नहीं
बटन करने लगे।
Trump is speaking.
Yeah, Trump threatens 100% secondary tariff on Russia if no ceasefire deal and says US will send
लो जी,
Ukraine.
ये उठ गया चौधरी हमारा।
रॉकेट मिसाइल तो आज भेज दी उसने।
वहीं खड़ी है अभी तो, एक्सपेक्टेड हाई के अंदर आज की।
को क्रॉस करके आत्मा क्रॉस करके ऊपर जाती है, तो एक्सपेक्टेड यही होगा तो ऊपर ही जाती है।
हाँ लेकिन लेना है तो मिड बैंड से, अगर आपने कुछ भी ट्रेड ऊपर की तरफ भी जाना है या नीचे की तरफ, एरिया टू एरिया, वो बनता है आपका मिड बैंड से।
है या नहीं?
या 50 शायद लगा के ही आए, पता लगा ट्रम्प बैठा है 100 ही लगा ले, लेकिन इट्स ओके. 50 will decide our planning. But area officially worked, gave us 3 points. From 63.04, it came down to 63.175. पूरा वैल्यू एरिया टच करके आ रहा है, almost very close. Resistance is there on Fibonacci box 240 minute. So
मैं देख लूंगा जी
एक टिक रह गया.
it is. तो अब मैं यहाँ तक तो नहीं खींच के ला सकता, अभी भी गया, पता लगे यहाँ से.
पहले भी ट्रेड
ये एक का टिक तो बनता है.
अच्छा बना के देखता हूँ
चढ़ जा गड्डी
I wish इससे आगे की मैजिक बॉल मेरे पास होती. लेकिन जो ES है ना वो पूरी 7 से आई है, पूरी ES पूरी 7 से आई है. MES एक टिक से रही है, लेकिन ES ने पूरा आपको 7 ही दिखाया. ठीक है सर, अब एक टिक से तो कुछ नहीं होता. आप लाइव वाले में ना, तो एक माइक्रो छोड़ दें, आपके 10-12 पॉइंट शाम
टिक हो गया पोस्ट से.
सर उस तो बाद एवरेज दे जाते
सर उठते बहुत 33 तो पहले नहीं, क्योंकि एटलीस्ट क्योंकि अब जो पिछला हाई है ना 23 तक का, तो वेट करें, 20 पॉइंट तो उसको चढ़ लेने दें आपके अगेंस्ट 23 के बाद। ये 33 तो ज्यादा ऊपर हो जाएगा, 23 तक आपको एटलीस्ट 20 पॉइंट का गैप मिल जाएगा। तो बैठा तो है, लेकिन कितने पुश करेगा। और
जो 3 वाला अकाउंट है इसको माइक्रो से किया जाए।
नहीं नहीं, इसमें आपको फुल करना पड़ेगा यार, मिनी करना पड़ेगा। 30 दिन में तो ये नहीं होगा ना 3000 आपका, तो उसको मिनी करना पड़ेगा आपको। ये 94 तक आ सकती है अगर गिरी ना एक्सपेक्टेड हाई से। अभी तक नहीं, अभी प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ टाइमिंग की है। 12 बजे वाली कैंडल इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि यूरोप ने बंद होना है। तो लेट्स सी, नॉट ए ह्यूज डील, लेकिन आपका ब्रेक इवन तो आ गया तकरीबन। मिनी से है माइक्रो से है, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होगा। जिसने फुल मिनी वाले हैं वो तो 4 पॉइंट लेके आ गए बाहर। हो गए जी, आपके कुछ बन गए, ठीक है। जिसने 4 पे लिया हुआ है अपना एरिया, once again areas are rock solid guys। सर यस टू द डॉट 7 लगा के आई है, टू द डॉट। Cheers to my। ਉਹ मैं कहना फिर बस घर जाके वैक्यूम ही करना रह गया इन्हों ने, बाकी सब कुछ कर लिया सी। मैं भाई हम ना खोल लेते हैं क्लीनिंग सर्विसेज कंपनी, ट्रेड दे ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾ ਹੀ ਦਿੰਨੇ कोई 630 to the dot here। That be calling you ये मार्केट टफ है। ये इतना मैं निकालना एक है तिक का, तो वैसे ही फर्क रहता है इसमें। अब कोई फंडेड कर रहा हो, यस कर रहा हो, they're done their 5 points। ये अच्छा है यार आपका। मैं कर दूंगा भाई। ओ मैंने कहा सिर्फ टेम्पलेट लगी रहे, टेम्पलेट इसका मेरे पास स्टेंसिल ला के ना कर देना चाहिए पेंट, बल्कि पक्का ही लगा है। बेस प्रेशर, that's it right, yeah, good। I think in planes too, they should have AI. If a person, I mean, वो जिसने कहा ना कि fuel inspection हो, अगर हो गई है, like there's gotta be something to say why.
नहीं वो कैसे सकती है क्योंकि यू हैव टू पुल इट वो ये होता है कि टॉगल स्विच होते हैं ना सर उसको
मैनुअली
उसको करते हैं तो फिर ऑन होता है उसमें ये इज द बिग सेफ्टी फैक्टर वेरी रेयर इफ समबडी इज रियली आउट दे विल डू इट
नहीं लेकिन फिर 2 ऑपरेटर लगा दें कि जब तक 2 ना करेंगे तो नहीं होगा ना
इंडियन स्टाफ तो सर लाखों करोड़ों पब्लिक स्टार्ट कर देते हैं नेवर एवर हैपेंड if somebody has instead of
completely forgot कर दिया बोल
जैसे गियर अप है ना सर उसकी इंडिकेशन आती है ग्रीन लाइट्स हैं उसकी वार्निंग आ रही होती है सब कुछ हो रहा होता है लेकिन ये है कि once आपका दिमाग सही नहीं है you are going to fiddle with the wrong switches.
See, when a plane is taking off, it's not a maximum amount of alerts. Ding, 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 हर तरफ से मर रहा है.
Exactly. नहीं आप
वो तो कह रहे मैं पायलट हूँ ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए
ये तो होने ही नहीं चाहिए.
हमें नहीं होना चाहिए सर आपके ना टेक ऑफ पे ना मैक्सिमम जब होता है तो उस इंडिकेशन ही आपको बता देती है कि कोई गड़बड़ है कि नहीं है और जैसे गो नो गो स्पीड आती है ना जैसे आपने इसके बाद आपने बोट करना है या और ये जैसे आपने वो किया ना रोटेट तो इमीडिएटली आप गियर ऑफ करते हैं 50 फुट 100 फुट के ऊपर उसने गियर ऑफ करने के लिए ना उसने स्विच ऑफ कर दिया गियर्स नीचे ही भाई इतना बड़ा वो नहीं कर सकता कोई जब तक कोई उसको कैप्टन जो है ना असल में क्या होता है ये CRM कॉर्पोरेट रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट जिसे कहते हैं ना कैप्टन को पायलट में अगर वो गालियां दे रहा है उसको वो कर रहा है वो इतने स्ट्रेस में आ जाए तो बहुत गालियां देते हैं लोग तो वो इतना स्ट्रेस में आया होगा उसने उसको यूं कर दिया होगा असल में ये होता है बेसिकली जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी इन्वॉल्व हुए हैं ना सारे कि क्या उसकी कहानी क्या है और ये सारा
यहाँ कहीं
but some people lost their lives over this
एक बंदा बचा रहेगा
सर गेट्स अब 2 पायलट हो तो सर गेट्स वो कहते हैं ना वार्निंग आ रही है
यहाँ पे क्रॉच
हैं?
ये एक बच्चा ना उसके यहाँ पे क्रॉच आई है और पहले भी ऐसे हुआ था 11 ये वाला बंदा पहले भी बचा हुआ
हाँ
और उसका रीजन कहते हैं कि उसका बचने का रीजन यह उसमें बाइक नहीं लगेगी अगर उसने लगाई होती तो इवन वो कहते हैं जब जरूरत पड़ता है ना तो आपके यहाँ पे बोन्स वगैरह पेट्रोल लग जाता है शो कर रहे थे सारा कह रहे उसने लगाई नहीं तब
यार इंडिया में हर चीज का ना वो हिंदू बजरंग दल भी बोल देगा तो एक बजरंगी ने हेल्प कर दी
लग तो है
यार लक तो बहुत बड़ा है यार 242 बंदों में एक बंदा बचा है तो लकी कहते हैं और क्या कहते हैं
प्लांट्स की इतना भी बहुत स्लो मिलेगा और मोस्टली ये
All right, time to shut it down.
और वो इसलिए कम से कम कि everybody